Welcome to this guided meditation on the senses of Bora Bora. As we begin, find a comfortable seated position and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, and slowly exhale. Allow yourself to fully relax and let go of any distractions or thoughts. As the plane descends into Bora Bora, you look out the window and see the crystal clear blue waters of the Pacific Ocean. You can't wait to feel the warmth of the sun on your skin and the soft white sand between your toes. As you exit the airport, the smell of frangipani flowers fills the air. You take a deep breath and close your eyes, savoring the sweet, tropical scent. You hail a taxi and soon find yourself at your resort, where you are greeted with a refreshing tropical drink. You take a sip and taste the tangy flavors of pineapple and coconut. As you make your way to your overwater bungalow, you feel the cool ocean breeze on your face and hear the sound of the waves lapping against the shore. You can't wait to dive into the warm aqua waters and explore the colorful coral reefs. As you walk along the white sandy beach, the sun warms your skin and the sand squishes between your toes. You can feel the gentle breeze blowing through your hair and the cool water lapping at your feet as you make your way into the ocean. The water is a breathtaking shade of turquoise, and as you dive beneath the surface, you are surrounded by a world of colorful fish and coral. The water is so clear that you can see every detail of the vibrant marine life all around you. The reds and oranges and purples of the coral. The blues and greens, stripes and spots of various shades on the fish. As you swim through the water, you can feel the soft current carrying you along. You relax into the motion and let it wash away any stress you may be feeling. You are struck by the beauty of the place and are filled with a sense of wonder and awe. After a while, you decide to head back to the shore, where you can feel the sun drying your skin and the sand warming your feet. You begin to feel hungry but know that the food is a true reflection of the paradise that surrounds you. You venture to the local market, which is filled with vibrant and colorful fruits, vegetables, and seafood, freshly caught by the local fishermen. One of the most popular dishes in Bora Bora is the famous poisson cru, a raw fish salad marinated in coconut milk and lime juice. It is a staple at every beachside barbecue and a must-try for any visitor to the island. But the real culinary delight of Bora Bora is the lagoon-to-table experience. You take a private fishing expedition so you can catch your own fish to have it cooked by your resort's talented chefs. As you cast your lines into the crystal clear waters of the lagoon, you are amazed by the variety of fish that swim around you. You see everything from colorful parrotfish to delicate mahi-mahi, and even a few giant trevally. You return to the resort with your catch, ready for it to be transformed into a delicious dinner. The chefs expertly prepared the fish in a variety of ways, from grilling it to creating delicate sushi. As you sit at the table, savoring each bite of the fresh and flavorful food, you know that this was an experience you will never forget. The food in Bora Bora is truly a taste of paradise. You stand and walk towards the ocean's quiet waves on the shoreline. As you sit on the beach, watching the sunset over the water, you feel truly grateful to be in such a magical and beautiful place. You slowly head back to your overwater bungalow, where you can hear the soft sound of the breeze rustling through the palm trees. As you lay on your comfortable bed, you feel the cool sheets against your skin and hear the gentle splashing of the waves below. You close your eyes and drift off to sleep, dreaming of all the beauty in beautiful Bora Bora. Now, slowly bring yourself back to the present moment. Take a deep breath in, hold it, and now exhale. When you are ready, Slowly open your eyes and stretch your body. Remember to carry the sense of peace and connection with you as you go about your day. Thank you for joining me on this journey to Bora Bora.